Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you have watched the 4 episodes which we have already uploaded in YouTube. If not, please visit us at
The expanded term of NLP is natural language processing. Natural language processing is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. NLP combines linguistics, which is scientific study of language, and computer science to process text and speech in applications such as machine translation, sentiment analysis, and speech recognition. NLP powers technologies like chatbots, virtual assistants, and language models. By bridging the gap between human communication and machines, NLP enhances user interaction with technology. The expanded term of ANI is artificial narrow intelligence. Artificial narrow intelligence, also known as weak AI, refers to AI systems designed to perform specific tasks or a limited range of tasks. ANI lacks the ability to adapt or apply its knowledge beyond its program scope. It works in narrow domains but cannot operate outside predefined tasks. Examples of ANI include virtual assistants, self-driving vehicles, and facial recognition systems. However, ANI also raises ethical concerns, including personal privacy, data security, biases, and transparency issues. The expanded term of AGI is artificial general intelligence. Artificial general intelligence refers to a form of AI with the ability to understand, learn, and apply intelligence across a wide range of tasks at a human level. AGI is still a theoretical concept and does not yet exist. Researchers are actively working towards achieving it. If developed, AGI's development could lead to groundbreaking advancements in fields like automation, science, and technology. If achieved, AGI could revolutionize various fields by outperforming human capabilities in many areas. But achieving AGI poses significant technical and ethical challenges.